are you? Welcome back to another cozy drawing video. If you're here for the first time, welcome. Now for this video I got the Scrawlrbox number 106. As always, thank you so much Scrawlrbox for sending me this. They're always so much fun. Inside the box you'll always find a print from the featured artist. There's also a zine describing the box contents as well as some ideas for you to do with the supplies, info about the artist, featured art, and a prompt to inspire you. In each scroller box, you'll always get some paper to use with the supplies. And this time around, we got 10 pages of A5 tone drawing paper. You'll also find every month a sticker and a tasty snack. As for the supplies of this month's box, we got a handy sharpener that includes 2 spare blades, a Derwent blending pen, and a box of Faber-Castell Polychromos coloring pencils. These are oil-based and feature acid-free pigments. There's a total of 6 pencils, pink, white, yellow, green, blue, and red. As always, I'll first swatch all of these and sketch some things, trying to decide what I'll do with them. So get comfortable, grab your drink and a snack, and come draw along with me. You know what time it is. It's time to take a bit of a break. It's good to take small breaks every now and then while drawing. It doesn't need to be long, but at least get up, move a little, and stretch your muscles. This is also a good time to eat your snacks and drink some water if you haven't yet. Then, when you're done, we can go back to drawing. Hi, it's me again, and I'm almost done with this piece. I don't usually use coloring pencils nor this kind of paper, so I was really out of my comfort zone here, as you might have noticed. When I'm trying something new, I try to keep things more abstract, so it's less overwhelming and I'm free to make a bit of a mess with my art. And that's what I did here. This month's challenge was Squiggle Me This, so I tried to do something based on that idea. It's always so much fun to try something new, even if scary. And to be honest, most of the time I end up learning something new. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I tried adding a bit more this time other than drawing, so it has more of a vloggy vibe. Do let me know if it's something you like to see or if you prefer I stick with just drawing and art in the comments. I'll also leave a link for Scrawlrbox in the description so you can take a better look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on drawing and I'll see you in the next video.